Fleet is cutting-edge technology that helps make mining safer and more productive every day. A capability set within CAT MineStar system, Fleet delivers comprehensive machine monitoring and operation control. Configurable for any size or type of surface operation, Fleet can meet the unique needs of your mine sites, giving you maximum management flexibility. Fleet's assignment and real-time machine and material tracking capabilities enable you to manage your entire operation, helping you reduce costs and boost productivity. Able to work with data from all types of assets and equipment, including equipment from other manufacturers, Fleet helps you lower costs per ton, enhance productivity, and increase site profitability. The ability to run hypothetical what-if scenarios within Fleet can help you determine the impact of operational changes prior to implementing them. That makes it easier to keep your operation running safely and at peak performance, with real-time control as market and mining conditions change. Fleet is scalable with a variety of available capability packages, allowing you to add features and functionalities as your operation evolves. For example, the production capability package provides real-time visibility of cycle times for improved shovel loading efficiency and increased payload predictability. Position and Material monitors machine locations and material movement, assuring controllers that material is directed to the proper location. Assignment and optimization schedules and assigns equipment, maximizing shovel utilization while minimizing truck wait time, as well as optimizing shift changes. Soon, Fleet will also provide the ability to pass production and fleet management information onto other critical mine systems, such as enterprise reporting systems, with the Data Share capability package. And the multi-site capability package will allow you to manage and monitor multiple operations from a single location. Capability packages like these enable Fleet to grow with your operation as it helps you grow your business. As part of CAT MineStar system, Fleet works seamlessly with other capability sets to help you achieve fully integrated mine site equipment and operations management. Plus, it plays critical roles, along with the command capability set, in building the CAT autonomous mine site of the future. Fleet provides a comprehensive view of all activities at an autonomous mine site, orchestrating the movement and control of all the equipment, both manned and autonomous. Scalable and fully integrated with other CAT MineStar system capability sets, Fleet delivers valuable capabilities and flexibility that can help you improve productivity and enhance the efficiency of your mining operations. Know more, do more, achieve more, define your mine. Fleet.